Hello guys, welcome back to iMyFone channel. In today's tutorial, we will tell you 2 methods to recover deleted files from a recycling bin after emptying the PC with or without backup. Now, let's start. The first way you can recover them even without backup. You can use iMyFone D-Back hard drive recovery, deleted files from recycling bin after emptying. This software comes with the highest success rate recovery from Windows and Mac, and recover deleted data in various scenarios. So let's see how it works, or you can directly click the link below to try. First, visit iMyFone's official website, download and launch the program on your computer. Then you need to hit the recycling bin option. The program will start to scan your recycling bin. After the scanning process finishes, you can preview the files you have deleted before. Now, you can select deleted files as you need, hit the recover icon, and get all the files downloaded to your favorite destination. As you can see, using hard drive recovery to recover from recycling bin is easy and fast, and the steps of the Mac version are similar to Windows without any expertise. But someone will wonder, how about recovering from backup? For Windows users, you can simply recover them by Windows Backup. Turning on your PC, navigate to the Start icon and select the Control Panel option. Then select the System and Security option. Next, you'll only need to tap on Backup and Restore. Now you'll be able to recover your deleted files. Well, not every people make backup regularly. What's worse, the data you will need will be overwritten. So we recommend you D-Back hard drive recovery. It is one of the best PC data recovery programs with a high recovery success rate, and it is legally registered program and guarantees your privacy safe. Just download it in the description and have a try.